So Feiyutech reached out to me, hope I'm pronouncing it right, for a collaboration. So this is a new gimbal that is on the market for them. 2 weeks ago they reached out to me. Now it's 2 weeks from now, from that time frame. Anyways, this is just a simple unboxing. Let me see what's in this box. I'm using a screwdriver, a flathead, because I can't find my knife. I don't know where the hell my knife is. Where the hell is? I don't know where my knife is. Okay. Ooh. Let me take this out of this box. What's this? The stabilizer camera. Okay, so this is a 3-axis gimbal, which is basically the same thing as most gimbal that they use with their DSLR cameras, or especially the mirrorless cameras. So let me see how this plastic comes off the box. Okay, geez, I can't believe I can't find my knife. Okay, opening here. Okay, open. Okay. Okay, this is pretty nice. Manual, which I don't really shit. Oops, that fell. Ooh. Yo, this wooden design right here is nice. Smell that fresh, brand new scent. Ooh. So, you're telling me that this gimbal is similar to my Zhiyun-Tech 2S because it has the lock feature. I can lock it meanwhile I'm sitting up. The basic. Okay, so it comes with a stand. And we put this right here. Let me put this right here. Comes with a stand. Let's see what's in the box. A USB cable, another cable, and another cable. Okay, all in key. Base plate, lens mount. That's dope. Okay, what's this? Cables, and that's it. Nothing else in the box. So on the table I got this right here, and let me lock this access. Ooh, yes, it's locked. It's locked. I got this right here. So this is all that comes in the box. Cables. Well, this is really and truly what most gimbals come with. So let me set up this part. So I'll be using this gimbal on my GH4, which is my behind the scenes camera, which I'm using for the overhead shot. So this is all you see that comes in the box, right? I love this design right here. It's pretty dope. Like it's a bit different. Instead of just having it all black, it's a bit different. And I love the locking mechanism that it has. So if I should say I should mount my camera up, right? Put this to the side. If I'm going to mount my camera on this gimbal, I can lock it. Let me unlock this. Unlock. Oh, this side is locked as well. Where is it? Wow, can't believe I messed out on that one. Okay, so let me lock this side, then let me lock this other side, lock this side. Ah, yes, so as you can see right here, this is what it looks like. And Oh, I wonder if that, oh, if I mount the camera here, I can slide it, I can shift it to the side so it doesn't rub on this, and based on the design of the camera. Ooh, this is pretty cool. Now this is a weird type of camera, I should say. So this is how you mount this gimbal. I am not used to this type of design because this is a smaller gimbal than what I'm used to. So I can see that it's very compact. And then you mount the camera up there. Wow, interesting. Let me see if this gimbal, because I don't even know if this have any power in it. Well, I know nothing about this gimbal, but I shall be doing my review on this gimbal. This is a very compact gimbal, I must say. USB cable, another port. Another port is right here. Oh, so I don't have any nails, I can't even open it. This must be the power button. No, that's not it. This must be the power button. Oh, the power button side is right here. Ooh, I hear that. Boop, boop, boop. English, is it touchscreen? Ooh, it is touchscreen. That's dope. Lock mode, pan mode, tilt. This all follow. Yo, this, I like this touchscreen feature. This is pretty dope. So guys, I must say this gimbal is very unique. It's super small compared to, I was going to show you my Zhiyun-Tech 2S, but that gimbal is pretty massive than this. But I love that it's touchscreen as well. Trigger finger. The build feels very plasticky. So stop. So the build feels very plasticky, but I must say it's very small and compact. It's super light, super light. Ooh. Wonder how long this battery lasts. Oh, where do you charge the? Where do you find a battery pack on this thing? I don't see where you find a battery pack on this. Cool stuff. Touch screen. Battery dying. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Let me turn this off. Aha, man, that's dope. So I guess that's it for this unboxing video. I will see you again next time. I'll be testing out this gimbal to see how it works with my GH4 that I'm using for the overhead shot right now. So see you again in the next one.